Alright, y'all. I'm gonna cut to the chase. My name's Josh. I'm starting out doing some kind of Christian rapping, but with a little swag to it. I'm gonna go ahead and spit a little bit the beats in the trap. It's real simple. Ain't got nothing explicit, wrong, bad in it. So let me know what y'all think. Here it is. I wrote it down right here. I've learned from my battles. See me on Pandora. See me in church. Fall in love with this godly aura. Church goer. I be chillin' where my stars is. I ain't acting brand new. That's just what my bars is. No respect for the haters. Manners for the ladies. Next just swagger, but my sneakers from the 80s. My style fresher than a newborn baby. No brush in my back pocket, but your boy wavy. Shout out to 2 Chainz, they call me the new king. Cause every time my haters see me, I'm representing my true king. Same watch, new bezel. It's time to take my rap career to a new level. Alright, that's it. Follow me on Twitter, at RealYoungin21. Be sure to shout me out, you know what I'm saying? So I get some more followers up. Later.